Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will cover the topic about the one of the best topic, how to make money with display ads. So in this video I will discuss this topic. So if you do not subscribe our YouTube channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button as well. So in this video I will provide the best guidelines of this topic. So let's go. How to make money with display ads. Firstly, you can select and changing the theme is also if you doing. So running display ads is one of the easiest options for publishers to monetize their websites, while there are other methods including selling ads directly and using affiliate marketing via Amazon display advertising using an ad network is the simplest way to generate passive income and monetize your website is also. You place a snippet of code on your website and ads are displayed automatically when site visitors are on your website. The best ad networks will serve relevant ads to the target audience to generate opportunities for higher monetizations. So display ads are the most common type of advertising, only means online, generating more than $244 billion globally in ad spending in 2021. Several things impact your ability to earn, including your website content or niche, the target audience you attract, and the volume of traffic and page views. Whether you are a publisher, blogger, or running an online business, display ads are an easy way to make money. If you like to see how much money you could make by running banners ads on your website, so check out free newer media earning calculator. So what about means what are display ads? This is the main thing you can see. So what are display ads? Display ads are a type of online advertisement that combines text and images in ad units that appears on your website page. They may contain videos. Display ads will link off-site to advertiser websites. And the two most common types of ad pricing options are cost per click (CPC) and cost per mile (1000 CPM). With the CPC model, advertisers create a landing page on their website where visitors go when they click with the goal of converting site visitors to purchase, sign up, or download the products or service being advertised. The more website visitors on a page, the more ad impressions publishers can produce. The greater the click-through rate (CTR), the more money publishers earn. With the CPM model, you are paid based on ad impressions. An impression is counted each time an ad is loaded and displayed on a web page. Cost per mile specifically means cost per thousand, so CPM is the cost per thousands. Ad impressions is also. So types of display ads. There are different types of display ads and different formats, including banner ads, interstitials ads, rich media ads, social media ads. Banner ads to guide about are the most common ad format. They generally feature static images and text and appear throughout the website. To encourage site visitors to click, ad revenue tends to vary based on traffic and ad placement on the pages also. So in this video I will cover two guide about how to make money with display ads. So hope you will like this video. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button also. Thank you so much guys.